Faiza from Kashmir.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam tullah.
Sheikh, my question is, can a girl visit to her paternal cousin's wedding in order to maintain kinship, which is an obligation? But there will be women singing traditional songs along with musical instruments like duff and others, and their voice will also be reaching to non-mahram men, and some points there will also be intermixing. Is it permissible for her to go if she wears proper Islamic hijab and tries her best not to participate in singing but just sits with them and also tries her best not to take part in intermixing?
It is not permissible to attend any wedding or event that has haram in it, even if it's your own brother's wedding or your own sister's wedding. Allah Azza wa Jal mentions in Surah An-Nisa, chapter 4, verse 140, a verse that clearly states that you're not allowed to associate or to participate in a gathering that has sin in it. So if you know that they don't care about what pleases Allah or angers Allah, and they have no problem in having haram music, free mixing and the likes, why would I care about their ties of kinship? If they don't care about what angers Allah, the hell with them. I'm not going to put myself in danger just to please them, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Ismail from Italy.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, my question is, I have a debt that the government they asked me to pay, and they give me a time limit to pay it, and also they give me the option if because it's much debt, I cannot pay all at once. So they give me another option that maybe I can pay it in instrumentally. But I said I don't know what to do. That's why I said I want to ask this question. Don't know, maybe I can take payment with interest to do this payment in interest rate.
It is not permissible to take a conventional loan, whether from the government or from a bank or from individuals. A loan that you would have to pay interest over, it's totally prohibited for you to take, because this is called in Islam riba-based loan. And Allah Azza wa Jal cursed those who take such loans, those who pay such interest, and those who receive such interests, such as the banks or the governments, and those who witness it, the two Samaritans, and the one who registers, the accountant or the clerk. The Prophet said, all of them in the curse of Allah are the same and equal. So this is not permissible for you to agree to take. If you had already taken it, you must pay it all off as a lump sum, even if you have to borrow from other friends and relatives, without interest of course, so that you relieve yourself from that riba haram. Raj from China.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Sheikh, I have two questions. So
You can ask one.
can I just? Okay. So after releasing urine, after urinating, after a while, I feel like some urine come out. So most of the time, it's true. So in that case, what should we do?
We have answered these questions a gazillion times, Akhi, on this program, on my website, on my YouTube channel. If you are medically diagnosed to have urine incontinence, which means that you drip all the time, then this is like I've answered the question 4 minutes ago. You have to, after the adhan is called, when you want to pray, change your soiled clothes, wash your private part, make wudu, and go and pray regardless of what comes out of you, because it cannot stop. If you don't have urine incontinence, this means that this only comes to you after urinating. An hour or so later, you say, I'm clean. 5 hours, I have nothing, which means that you rushed yourself. So remain until the urine stops by itself. Nothing is coming out. Overwhelm your private part with water, soak the whole area, sprinkle water inside of your underwear, and lift or wear your pants back again and move. And anytime you get a feeling that something is coming out, ignore it. Never check until 5 or 6 hours later when you go to the toilet to answer the call of nature again. Only then you can check. Never ever check after soaking the area with water and sprinkling your underwear with it. And then you will be fine in a couple of days, inshallah. Abdul Aziz from Saudi.
السلام عليكم يا شيخ.
Assalamu alaikum.
هل الفيفا حلال؟ Is the video game FIFA halal?
FIFA, the game? Abdul Aziz.
Is the video game FIFA halal?
Okay, the video game FIFA, which is played on PlayStation 4 or 5, I don't know. I've never seen the game in my life. I've never played it, so I don't know. But if it's only players playing and you're shooting the ball and trying to score, there is no music, there is no haram, there is no awrat of women, because you can play FIFA women, and that would be tempting. But if it's men and there is nothing haram in it, there is no problem, inshallah, in playing it, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.